If you're thinking about starting YouTube automation or faceless videos using AI, chances are you've heard of Fliki and InVideo AI. Both are popular AI video generators, but which one is actually better? In this video, I'll break it down simply, compare their pros and cons, and reveal which tool you should use, especially if you want to get monetized on YouTube. Stick with me till the end, because the final verdict might actually surprise you. Let's begin with Fliki. Fliki is an AI-powered tool that turns text into videos within minutes. You can paste a script, blog article, or even a URL, and Fliki will automatically turn it into a video with stock clips, subtitles, and AI voiceover. It's especially popular among beginners because of how easy it is to use. Pros of Fliki: very simple and user-friendly. Huge library of stock videos and images. High-quality subtitles and formatting. Supports many languages for global content. Good for educational and motivational videos. Cons of Fliki: AI. Voices sound slightly robotic. Especially in longer videos, customization is limited compared to video editors. Doesn't feel fully unique. Many Fliki videos start to look similar. Risk of demonetization if you rely on basic AI voices. YouTube has become strict about low-quality AI audio. If YouTube detects robotic narration or repetitive templates, your monetization could get delayed or even denied. That's something to watch out for with Fliki. Now, let's talk about InVideo AI. InVideo AI takes a similar approach. It also allows you to convert text into videos automatically. It recently added AI workflows to speed up scripting and video creation. Pros of InVideo AI: simple prompt-based video creation, better visual customization than Fliki, good templates. For YouTube, Reels, ads, and explainers, decent AI voice options. Cons of InVideo AI: video generation can be slow sometimes. AI output often needs manual fixing. Interface can feel cluttered. iVoices are still not natural enough for monetization. Safety, not great for long. YouTube documentary or commentary videos like Fliki, InVideo. I also struggles with natural voiceovers. And again, that's a problem for YouTube monetization. So which one is better, Fliki or InVideo AI? If we compare simplicity, Fliki wins. For customization, InVideo AI takes the lead. But here's the real issue. Both tools rely heavily on generic AI voiceovers. And as YouTube automation gets more competitive, YouTube is flagging low-quality AI audio faster than ever. That's why more creators are switching to next-gen AI video tools that offer human-like narration, talking avatars, built-in script writing, and YouTube-safe voices. Tools like InVideo AI are gaining popularity because they let you generate full videos just by describing them, kind of like using ChatGPT, but for video creation. It writes a script, adds clips, voice, captions, everything. No manual editing needed. So while Fliki and InVideo AI are still usable, they're becoming outdated for serious YouTube growth. Final verdict: if you just want a simple video tool, choose Fliki for basic educational or blog to video content. Choose InVideo AI for marketing and promotional videos with more customization. But if your goal is YouTube growth, faceless cash cow channels, and fast monetization, then neither is the best choice anymore. A more advanced AI video tool with realistic AI voiceovers and end-to-end automation is a smarter option. So that was the comparison between Fliki versus InVideo AI. Which is better? Let me know in the comments. Which tool would you choose and why? Also, if you want me to compare another tool like Pictory to Script or CapCut AI next, drop it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.